very much to have children. I love children. And I wish I could adopt children like I adopt dogs, because I think I'd be a wonderful father. I wouldn't spoil my children, but I would share with them, and I think I could give them a lot of love. These are some of my dogs. I say some because there's still a couple of more. Most of my dogs have been given to me by people who really didn't want them. This is Jacques, and my heart went out to him because he was the scrawniest, but he's turning out to be one of the pretty ones. And this is Mishi, who is owned by a very nice young lady. And Mishi refused to stay home alone, so she couldn't take her to work with him, so she gave her to me. This is Bonaparte. The people who had Bonaparte moved back east, and they couldn't take their dog in the apartment, so Bonaparte came to live with us. Lisa, come here, Lisa. Come on, darling, come on. Lisa was sent to me all the way from Brisbane, Australia. She's 2 years old now. Prego, come here, Prego. Come here, Prego. Come on. Come on, love. This is Prego. He's a German Schnauzer with an Italian name, Prego, which means you're welcome in Italian. Elkie, come here, darling. Elkie, come here. This is Elkie. And if you haven't got people, well, if you love anything, they love you in return. It works with dogs as well as people.